Alright, so welcome to my new video. This is unlike my previous videos. This is not on trading, but I'll be making on one of the favorite stock. This is on Bharti Airtel. So, but before I get into the meat of the presentation, here is a disclaimer. This is only for education purpose. Don't take this as the advice to buy or sell a stock. With that, let's get started. The stock for today is Bharti Airtel. Yes, I'm talking about something that we use on a daily basis. Which SIM are you using? Are you using Jio or Airtel? So we have reduced our usage to only two. Okay, so that's one of the reason why I am doing this. What's the overview? Overview is the stock has been consolidating for more than 13 years now. Data is the new oil. That's where you saw Jio taking a lot of our mind share, heart share, wallet share, everything. And online is going to be the new normal after the COVID era. So when I say consolidation, let's have a look at Bharti Airtel chart. So this is a daily chart, and here is the weekly. Here is the weekly, if you can see this. So the stock was in a consolidation. The previous high that it made was in 2007. After 2007, it went into a bigger consolidation stage, and now it is coming out of the consolidation stage. It made I think more than 10% yesterday. This was on 19th May 2020, and it has crossed its all-time high of 13 years, and it's going very, very strong. Whenever a stock crosses the all-time high, they have higher probability of going very, 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 very high. So higher probability, it's a game of probability, okay? So I'm not talking about that there is guarantee to it, but that's how it works. So it broke the all-time high. According to our study, stocks that break all-time high have higher tendency of going up, up, up. Okay, if you ask me what should you do this, but before I come to this, let's look at some other analysis. Okay, so this is the screener. I use this screener to check what's the report card on these stocks. Okay, so while he has listed a lot of cons, but when the stock hits all-time high, it's a clear cut indication. Okay, so you'll be able to check this. Go to screener.in and you can check Bharti Airtel. You will see compounded sales growth, balance sheet, everything looks super awesome. And so if you look at the peer-wise comparison, also it is looking good. So I don't know how many of you remember that about 10 years back there were so many telecom companies, but now it is now reduced to only Jio and Bharti Airtel. So what happened to Reliance when it broke the previous consolidation? It almost gave a 200% growth after its all-time high, after it hit the all-time high. Okay, somewhere here on 2017, it went up to here. Okay, let me enlarge this and show you. So mega opportunity, especially when all other stocks are going down, the markets are going down. Bharti Airtel is showing a good strength. Okay, so that's that. If you look at what are the other news, let's look at Bharti Airtel shares rise 11% to record high. Okay, here is why. So customers upgraded their data, calling plans, telecom operator raised their mobile tariffs. Even then, the people started adopting to this. Total revenue rose 15% to 23,723. Okay, so we continue to witness strong data traffic growth of about 74% year on year. That's what Gopal Vittal says. Reliance Jio reported a nearly threefold rise in yes. So definitely that's the case. If you look at what's happening on the Google, if you search for Bharti Airtel, so you will find that it's hitting the all-time high, and Bharti Airtel rose, all of that stuff. Okay, why did Bharti Airtel rally 11% despite 5,000 crore Q4 loss? Okay, Motilal Oswal is also giving a buy call on Bharti Airtel. Tuesday's trade brokerage trade upbeat on the script even after the telco reported. Okay, pulled out a strong show with the strong ARPU growth and subscriber addition in 4G network. Africa business to exceeded estimates. Yes, they are in Africa also. Okay, so cool. In March quarter reported 2% ARPU increase. That was Airtel reported a 16% sequential rise in data traffic to 6.5 billion GB, 15 GB per user. Okay, super awesome. So if you ask me what should you do with this particular stuff, you can keep this in your portfolio. It is definitely a good buy, but it is for a long term. Why? Because it broke the 13 years resistance. Online is going to be the new normal. Very good returns possible if you look at all the companies that are breaking all-time high. But this is, I'm not talking, this report is not for short term. This is for long term. Healthy dividend payout, and that's why this is my personal observation. So when all the stocks are going down, Bharti Airtel is making all-time high. Okay, with that, let me say see ya and see you in my next video, probably on trading. Bye.